Hello, in this video we're going to go over Lesson 1.2 Values. This is Technique 1, Concatenating a Number. So putting a number together with other things. So we have some variables already. Feet equals 9, inches equals feet times 12. And then, of course, this is the Python symbol for multiplication. And we have a print statement. The tallest human to ever live in the United States is Robert Wadlow. We want to print the height in feet in a message. And then we want to print the height in inches in a message. So we want to make two little messages. Now, one thing that's important to understand is when you look at this code, you need to be able to recognize right away. Like feet and inches are both variables. We know that because there's no quotes around them. Also, their color, they're just like not bold black color. So in Python, in this editor, they will be variables. And also, we notice that 9 and 12, these right here, they don't have any quotes around them. So they're definitely not going to be strings. So that's why we know these are numbers. Now, if this was an input, like how tall are you, and then, enter in feet, well, if that was the case, then that would be a string because any input is a string. But we know this is an integer and this is an integer. So now we just need to create some prints. So print the height in feet in a message. So all we have to do is type the word print and then a parentheses and then a quote. He was nearly space and then a quote. We always want to do our spaces. And then remember, we're going to concatenate. So we add a plus and here we have to convert. So we'll do str feet. And we're making feet, which is an integer, into a string. So we can actually print it in this message. And then we're going to continue this concatenation with another plus, and then quote space, feet, tall, period, like that. So this should work. He was nearly, and then it'll say 9 feet tall. And then we're going to make another one that says print, and then in parentheses and in quote, that's space, quote, plus. This is another concatenation. So str, and then this is for inches. Inches plus inches, like that. So this should work. So we're going to go ahead and run this code and make sure that it works. I'm not even going to run it here because I know it's going to work, but it's important that you understand the reason why we put this str in front of here and the reason why we know that this is an integer and this is an integer and that these are variable names. These are all very important things for you to remember. They have to just be top of mind knowledge so you always know what these are. Now, if you got yours to look like this and you ran it and it looks good, make sure you turn it in so you get credit.